a particle of mass 8 lies on a rough plane. So we have some friction involved here. We have an angle of 30. We have our friction given to us here, 1 over root 3. And we have our light inextensible string passing over a smooth pulley at the top. Okay. We have an acceleration A for my 8 and my 2. A. The 2 is going down, so 5 is going to be called the second acceleration B. 5 is going to be B plus A. 3 is going down in this direction, but it's going up with an acceleration of B, and it's going down with an acceleration of A. So A minus B. And now if we look at the forces, okay, let's look at my 8. It's on an incline. We have 8G coming down. So in this direction, we have 8G by the cos of the angle, by the cos of 30. And the cos of 30 is root 3 over 40. So we have 4 root 3. Sorry, root 3 over 2. 4 root 3G. And in this direction, we have 8G sine 30, and sine 30 is a half, so we have 4G. For 8, we have connected by the first string we'll call T, and we do have a reaction here, and we can say that my reaction or is going to be equal to 4 root 3G. So mu or is going to be equal to my 1 over root 3 by my 4 root 3G. Cancelling my root 3G's, we get mu or to be 4G. So that's what's going back in this direction, my mu or. So it's moving up, so I can say that T minus, we have this guy here going down in this direction, and we have the mu or. So T minus mu or, which is 4G, that's my mu or, minus my other 4G, this guy here, is equal to M, which is 8 times A, which we called A. So we could say T is equal to 8A plus 8G is a bit tidier. If we look at our 2, we've got T1, or sorry, T going back, T1 going down. We have it going down in this direction, 2G. And we know it's moving down with an acceleration of A. So we have 2G plus 2T1 minus T is equal to MA. I could replace that T with 8A plus 8G to get 2G plus 2T1 minus 8A minus 8G is equal to 2A. So I'm going to get 2G minus 8G. So I'm going to get 2T1 is equal to 10A, 2A plus 8A. And we have minus 6G plus 6G. Then for my 3, I have my T1, I have my 3G, I have my acceleration, which we said was A minus B, and it's going down, so A minus B in that direction. So we're going to say 3G minus T1 is equal to M times A. So 3G minus T1 is equal to 3A minus 3B. I just have my 5 left. So my 5, now I'll bring my equations together. My 5, T1, 5g, acceleration down with a plus b. So I get 5g minus T1 is equal to m times a. Multiply it out to get 5g minus T1 is equal to 5a plus 5b. Okay, let's see where we're at. We need to solve for a and b in these questions, or we actually need to show the deceleration of the a kilogram mass, which is a, so we just need a is equal to that. So let's see where we're at. First equation, we solve down with this 2t1. We have a 3g with an a and a b and a t1. So I can get a 2t1 here, or minus 2t1. So if I say 6g minus 2t1 is equal to 6a minus 6b, and bring this one up, 2t1 is equal to 10a plus 6g. I'm going to get 6g is equal to 16a plus 6g minus 6b. So the 6g's will cancel, and I'm going to get 16a is equal to 6b. So a is equal to 3b over 8, if that helps. Or we could say that b is equal to 8a over 3. So I just need one more equation to help us now. So if I multiply this one by 2, I'm going to get 10g minus 2t1 is equal to 10a plus 10b, and I have 2t1 is equal to 10a plus 6g. So I'm going to get 10g is equal to 20a plus 10b plus 6g. So I'm going to get 4g is equal to 20a plus 10b. I can replace a or b here. 4g is equal to 20 times a, 20 times 3b over 8, plus this would be 80b over 8. 4g is equal to 60b over 8 plus 80b over 8. So 4g is equal to 140b over 8. I'm sure there's simpler ways to do it. 32g, we wanted a, didn't we? I should have put it in for a. 32g is equal to 140b. So b is equal to 32g over 140, which is equal to 16g over 70, or 8g over 35. So b is 8g over 35 is what b is. b is 8g over 35. 3 over 8 by 8g over 35 is going to give us 3g on top, 35 on the bottom, meters per second squared. And then you go back over and you hope that it was 3g over 35 that they were looking for in the question.